Tobias Chanji, KTN, Kwale County.
More than 100 entrepreneurs in Mount Kenya region have participated in the regional Grow with Safaricom Business Forum, a platform designed to empower entrepreneurs with the knowledge and skills that can help them to sustainably accelerate their growth. This year, the forum was held under the theme, Fueling Financial Growth Through Innovation. Esther Diana reports.
This exercise brings the total number of entrepreneurs who have benefited from the forum in the region to over 250 and follows a similar forum held in Nanyuki last year, focusing on financial wellness, security, and data privacy. The telco, through its chief enterprise business officer, said its focus is on connecting, enabling, protecting, and transforming businesses.
As a Safaricom business, all we do is to engage businesses, talk about how we can connect them, talk about how we can protect them, talk about how we can enable them, and talk about how we can transform them so that they can grow with us mutually.
With official data showing that majority of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises collapse within 2 years, despite employing more than 80% of Kenya's population. Safaricom's Grow Business Forum is designed to equip startups with tools and knowledge to digitize operations, improve customer experience, and scale their ventures.
I've learned on how to scale my business, and actually I've just learned, surprisingly, that the growth of business is not just profitability, but the impact you create to the community that surrounds you, and in particular the customers that patronage my farm. And Safaricom has really given me a heads up and a tip on how to offer solution to customers. That it's not just putting the products on the shelves to sell, but also listening and hearing and understanding the solution the customer needs.
Pesa Sokoni is going to be in Greater Western, will be in Kisumu, also engaging businesses, both large and small, just to give them tips, give them knowledge, give them insights that can help them to grow. Of course, we also talk about some of the solutions we have. As a Safaricom business, we want to partner with SMEs. We want to grow with them together. But we also do some work with the large businesses, giving them solutions that transform them.
Since its inception in March 2024, the forum has reached over 1,000 businesses in the coastal Kenya, Nairobi City County, Greater Western, Rift, and Mount Kenya regions. Through the series, businesses exchange ideas on how they can leverage digital technologies to enhance their market reach, streamline operations, and create a strong brand presence online. Esther Diana, KTN, Meru County.